Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So in this one, I want to talk about my favorite IDE, and that is the PyCharm. This is the integrated development environment that we're going to be using mainly throughout this course moving forward. And this one is pretty much going to include everything you need to develop some really awesome Python apps. Now, if you want to access this, you want to click the link in the resource section. That's going to take you to this page. And on this page, you're going to be able to download the version that you want. Now, they got Windows, they got Mac OS, and they got the Linux version. So whichever, works for your situation, the one that you want to go with. In my case, for example, I'm going to go with the Mac OS. Now, one of the things that you want to remember is that they have two versions. One's the professional version and the other one is the community version. Now for our case, the community version is more than what we need, and that's what we're going to be using. But the professional version is actually going to cost you some money. I think it's about $25 a month as I'm recording this video. But again, that's something you don't need. Maybe later on you can actually get into that. But right now, that's something you really don't need. All you need is just the community version. So I'm going to actually do it with you. So what you want to do is you want to download it. In my case, I got the Apple Silicon Mac. So I'm just going to download that and let it just download real quick. And after this, what you want to do is you want to install it real quick. And that's something I want to do as well. So we're going to wait for that to download real quick. And just wait for it to download. Now, sometimes you might actually need an account. The accounts are free, by the way, on JetBrains, but you might need an account, so that's something that you might want to consider. You have to create an account probably. So let me actually open this. There you go. So there you go. We got PyCharm CE. So we're just going to drag it into the application. Again, this is the Mac installation. Windows could be a little bit different, but either way. All right, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and find it and open it up. So I'm just gonna open this real quick, and just like that, let's open it, and there you go. So we got our PyCharm. So it's asking me on the other screen, configure installation. There you go. So there you go. So when you open it, it's gonna look like this. Sorry guys, I couldn't move it to this page, to this screen, but that's pretty much how you install it. And again, it's really simple, really easy to install. And again, based on your version, I recommend installing this. And this is something that we're going to be using heavily moving forward. So get it started. Click on the link in the resource section and just install the PyCharm for yourself. And I'll see you in the next lesson, guys.